Hello, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are all having a wonderful time in lockdown. I am currently sat in the girlfriend's car again. As you can already tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, we are going to be changing the grille on this car, and we are going to be adding badges back on the rear, the ones that I took off in a previous video of the girlfriend's car. We're putting black badges back on. We've got to do the Audi badge. We're doing the Audi badge at the front. We're changing the grille completely because the one on this car, on her car already, is silver. She wants it black, and then we are going to be wrapping the chrome surround black, and she's already got a badge to replace it, which is all black as well. So we're basically just going all black on the front of this thing. But anyway, we got to take the bumper off, all that good stuff. And then once all that's on, we've got to clean the car so then we can put the rear badges on. So anyway, I'm going to get to doing that. I hope you are all staying safe out there. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll catch up to you soon. Alright, so what we're doing is we are starting with the new grille. As you can already see, we have taken the silver bit off because the one that was bought was broken. So we've got to take the one off the car and put it on this grille. But before we do that, we are going to be wrapping that one. And at the minute, we are just getting this bloody badge out, which we've got knives. Alright, so guys, the badge is now off. That's just going to stay there for now. New badge there. Me with my hood up. She don't know I'm filming her, but she's currently outside trying to get all the bolts off to take the front bumper off. So yeah, we're now going to go out and we're going to try get the front bumper off. Did you get a flathead that works? Sorry, you can talk, by the way. I'll change your voice to a man's voice.
Not happening.
It's going to break the flathead more than it will that. So our problem at the minute is these are fucking huge things, huge torques, which we don't have. We've got these. And we're also dealing with tie wraps. We've got to get underneath and find out which ones are underneath. There's also like masking tape in the bottom of the grille. So we are a little bit worried to take this off, but let's get that bit of shit off. Alright, so front bumper is off. Not as bad as we thought, to be honest. It's literally this side was held on by cable ties because there's a bit in the bumper which I'll show you actually. She's now over there just cleaning it because she was sick of seeing the leaves in it. It's just literally missing this little bit here which has got a screw there and a screw there. Just literally a flexible bit of plastic that clips on, and then it's got one screw holding it in at the bottom, which is missing this side. And it's a little bit broken there. That's why it was held on with cable ties. Nothing more. Typical Audi. 6 million screws behind the grille.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, cause
Alright, so guys, as you just saw the struggle of getting the centrepiece out of this bloody bumper, unfortunately this car the front bumper has been painted and fillered, so I don't know whether you can see that obviously on the screen. The bumper has cracked and the filler's fallen away. We knew this bumper had paint done at some point. That's what we were worried about, because as you can see here, well, I don't know if you can, but there's a big run in the paint, which we knew about the whole time, but we didn't expect it to have a crack, which actually I'll show you better from this side. You can see that crack in the bumper right there. We are obviously going to try fix it. We just want to figure out whether we want to put the grille in wrap the chrome and then put the chrome in, or wrap the chrome, put the chrome in and then put the grill in. We're not entirely sure yet. Why does my camera feel like it's proper zoomed in? No, it's all good. But anyway, you heard most of that. So we're going to get to doing that, and I will jump back to you once we've sorted something out and figured what we're going to do out. Shitty grey to black. So Fohebe,
Don't call me Fohebe.
has just spent the last half an hour cleaning this grill because it was filthy, and as you saw before, there was like paint all along the bottom. So that is now ready for me to wrap. Did you record it? You've got a voice. Oh, hungry. Oh.
Get on with it and I'll make you some food.
Oh. Are you filming or what?
Yes! I just started filming again.
Why? What are you doing? She won't talk. Mother-in-law will.
Shut up.
My heart, it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end, it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I deserve to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day.
This is what you've been waiting for all day. It's not, though, is it? Now it is.
Think of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't
Right, so I've been filming too many time lapses. My battery's about to die. I think what we're going to do is get all the screws back in, try and repair this little crack here, and then in that meantime I'll have my phone on charge for a little while. So yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm currently editing this video, and I've been trying for so long to try and get just two video clips off my girlfriend's iPhone, which I can't do. We've been trying to transfer them through like iCloud and things, through Google Drive, trying to just transfer it from my phone to my computer, won't happen. We've got one file which is literally right here, one file, still waiting on it to convert to MP4. It's been sat like that for the last probably half an hour. So I'm adding this clip in here. Obviously after the last clip we did get the bumper back on, and the next few clips are the next day of us taking the rear badges off after the car got cleaned and putting the new A1 and TFSI badges on.
Courtesy cars and things like that. They're his own cars.
Yeah.
He's got 3 cars of his own.
Really?
Yeah.
Fun. I think we will have to jump back to you guys when all this shit is off the car. How far into the light can I go? That far? Perfect. Oh beastie. Right, so car is all done. Black badges all the way around. Professionally valeted by old Ultra Gleam over there. Black all around the front. Just need some light tints really. We're gonna try and get this bit sorted. It's got to be filled really. It's got to be filled all around the front here and all underneath, and then resprayed. It's already got leaves all stuck inside the grill. God damn it. But yeah, anyway, that's that car all done for now. We're gonna try and get some wheels for it, I think, or at some point try and get some wheels for it. She wants to go black, so needs a whole lot. Gotta go machine polish this little corner here. Got machine polish the whole thing, but anyway, I'm gonna sit back down in my car quickly. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna end this video here. It's been a freaking good weekend, to be honest. It's been quite productive. Been out on a bike ride both days. I mean, yesterday we obviously spent most of the day doing the grill on the girlfriend's car, and today we were going to wash it ourselves, but we got sort of lazy, and I just called out a friend of ours to come do it. Paid him to do it really. He washed my girlfriend's car and her mum's car. He does my car as well. He's good at what he does. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you did enjoy. Hopefully it's not just filled with time lapses and stuff, but nonetheless, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and see you guys later.